back with another video. You know what I'm saying? This one we're going to get my girl car. We're going to detail it. It's dirty. And, I still got to get my exhaust sorted. Probably going to get that in the next video. It's still like a little exhaust leak. I don't know if it's on the headers with the big and racing headers. You can't tighten one bolt on there. It's like impossible to get, even if you got a small socket wrench. So probably gonna get that next vid. As you can see, we acquired the girlfriend's car. You know what I'm saying? We got some freaking work to do. We're going to detail this bad boy up. Get it looking nice. Back to the crib. We got some work to do. Oh goodness. Look at the dirt on the wheel. It's coming off with that regular water hose. First step, washing this thing. Gotta wet it up. Gotta wet it up. God damn, fucking worst. That's all wet up. You know what I'm saying? Go ahead and grab your thing. Start putting the elbow grease in. Just got done with the exterior of it. Still not dry, but much better. I'm finna do the interior, the hard part. My goodness. That's nice. So we're on to the interior now. Just got finished with this side. Now we gotta do that side. Hitting the seats now. This is it right here. Hit the back seats with that thing. Make your seats look good. Got the before. after. Clean car equals happy girlfriend. Happy girlfriend. Clean car equals happy girlfriend. Now I gotta figure out. It's a rattling noise coming from this left side right here. It happens every time I turn. Or I don't really know if it happens when I turn or like when very low RPMs. I don't know if it's the headers got an exhaust leak or it's something to do with the suspension. I gotta try to figure this out right now. And we can kind of hear it now. It's like a rattling noise. Put this in here and see how it get into the car and see what it is. And so we got the car all jacked up. And I gotta figure out if this is an exhaust leak coming from these headers or where it's coming from. It could be these bolts. Cause or it might be on the other side that you can't tighten. And it could be these flex pipes. They're not. Oh yeah, that's exactly what it is. An exhaust leak right there. There's no bolt on that. No. Not really a gap between the gasket. I don't think. No, I can definitely feel it. Oh, that's what it is. I need to put the skid plate back on this. And is that coolant? Overpipe was good. I got a dent in my oil pan. Something crazy. What is that noise? It's vibrating. It's gotta be this. Or that. So I'm pretty sure I figured out the rattling noise. This piece of plastic is on when I hit the headers. But if I hold it and hit it, it don't make any noise. I'm pretty sure it's this. I'm gonna undo it. There's those two little plastic screws in there. Oh my goodness, the camera is killing me. Yeah. And I can't find a nut for that bolt in there, so I'm gonna have to go buy one of those too.
Where I could.
Just finished, you know what I'm saying? Got this piece of shit out that's rattling. Fucking shit. Oh my god. It slowly let down the jack. Now we're getting the exhaust situated, you know what I'm saying? Finna top this one up. Go get it ordered on sometime. Need this tip. Start it up, that's it. Fix the rattle. I think so. Yeah.
Bring me put the viewers on. Oh, time to put the viewers on.
Close the door.
glass should be enough.
Hold on. Let me get a close up of this. Go ahead and get up here. Man, why don't you go ahead and kick it on the grass? Go ahead and get that tip off. Oh, I'm gonna close the ears.
Here we go.
Oh, so he gonna be done cut, yeah, boy. We go ahead, get up that close. Let me get up. Let me get that close up. Oh shoot! Alright, break that baby. Break it off. Break it off.
Hold it like this or step.
Sparks ain't finna hit me. Oh yeah, check out the truck.
Come on.
Check out the truck. Yeah. Oh my god, man.
Brake blade is gone.
Yeah, you got me messed up. You think I'm gonna hold that? Mama calling you though.
Don't hold it like that. Hold it the other way.
Oh shoot!
All right, come on.
I'm not holding nothing.
Stand on it down there then.
I'll stand right down here. There you go. There you go right there.
Sit back. Now I gotta cut this finger off.
You gotta cut it what off?
Nah, I can get this thing.
Alright. Is that the end of the vlog?
That's the end of it. That's the end of it. Y'all boys like and subscribe, you know what I'm saying?